Good morning, good morning, good morning. We don't normally start the vlog at this segment, but we're making lunch for the kids for school, and we do that in the morning. That's too hot. Sometimes it's dinner the night before, but some mornings it is made the day of. And today we're doing chicken breast strips, and I have like a rice with cauliflower in there and beans and all kind of things. So that's what it is today. Momo is doing breakfast and only Ozzy is awake, so pray for us. I woke up this morning and Ozzy was in my bed, me was in the bed, Wayne in the bed, and I laughed. I had to film it because I said, in my head all I heard is there was 3 in the bed, and the little one said I was the little one. I'm gonna do some nuggets as well for Ozzy, Dane, and Atlas. You pick up your porridge, and then I'm making you want to take it your porridge? I literally did one of these steam bag rice things, rice blends. Power blend is what it's called, and it has protein with the beans and the other stuff. So I hope they eat it. We'll see. You know how it is with kids, like you make something and they eat it 10 times, and then one day they're just like, no thanks. Good morning to you. And how do you do? Good morning, good morning, good morning to you, baby Ivy. Wow, your hair looks great like this, mommy. Let me see. Let me see. Yay! Gorgeous! Wow, wow! Alright, let's go get some breakfast. Can I get a susu, please? Okay. Alright, take her papa and blankie. Bye.
Gio's gonna win that because Gio's smarter than me. No, I'm smarter. You're not. I can literally do kung fu and the trick. You
know what type of tree that is?
No.
That's a guango tree.
Guango?
Yes.
Oh,
and those
I like
blossoms are very nice, but they create a lot of mess. So if you look at the driveway, you see all that brown stuff?
Yeah.
That's the dried up blossoms.
Oh,
Alright, boys, we are on our way.
Yeah, I can see the
boys
bees
and girl.
I can see the bees going on them.
Let me take a sip of
Where do
coffee.
you get bee from?
I was saying the last time that we did, when I look at where I'm coming from, everybody loved it, so we should find another song to sing today.
Let's do it together.
Which song should we sing today?
I see lizard mom.
Which song that? Oh yes, I see it.
I see the lizard
I see the lizard mom. How about this one? Ready? When the roll is caller, I'll be standing taller to face the darkest and the hardest of times. We'll be taking care of all the children thereof, and if it's required, we'll be on the front line. You can call me by my name, I am ready to roll. Once the rule remained the same, how the story's been told. Call me anytime, never clock out. Lioness is on the rise, don't you ever have doubts.
Yeah.
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 Atlas, good harmony. All right, friends, I just finished my workout for the day, and it's always a joy when you get it done. If you can get it done, because let me tell you, the time is passing anyway. I can't believe that I work out now. That's never used to be a part of my life, and now it is. So I give thanks for that. I was just sharing in the gym how I used to be a smoker. I used to smoke cigarettes, and this year will mark 4 years that I've quit smoking, and it was something that had me in a chokehold for years. And if you have ever been addicted to anything, you know how difficult it is to break an addiction. And it's something that I am so very proud of myself for doing. But something that people don't talk a lot about when you break an addiction or when you quit something like smoking is how it can spill over into the rest of your life. And what do I mean by that? Because I was able to break a cycle in my life that had me so trapped, like smoking did, I used it to kind of say, if I can quit smoking, I can do anything. And so, you know, I use it all the time. If I can quit smoking, I can start the gym 3 times a week. I can go to the gym 3 times a week. I can edit my vlogs 3 times a week. I can dedicate this time to doing this thing however long. Like, it's one of the things that spilled over into the rest of my life and created consistency in areas that I used to find it difficult. So I always find that to be an amazing side effect or benefit of quitting something else. And you should think about that. You know, what in your life have you been able to stop, and how can you use that as kind of like your benchmark that, well, if I could do that, I can do this. Sometimes we only look at it as the things that we accomplish, but what did you stop doing that you can also use that to kind of propel you into something else? Anyway, today we still have construction going on at home. We're still trying to, you know, finish up everything. We're really making a lot of good progress, but boy, it take time. And people, it take patience, and trust me, like anybody who has been here long enough, you know it took us 2 years to save up to do this as well, right? Because it's not a cheap process. And life is life, so you know, you still have everything else to take care of. But I'm so glad that we were able to, you know, really put aside to be able to do this too and make this happen for ourselves. So very excited, and I'm going home now, hopefully to see some work already begun. So yeah, we'll catch up there.
As I wake up, another accident on the site. Well, accident on the site. I actually see exactly what happened.
You were there?
Yeah, I was right there. So see the resident nursing team, yeah? The resident nursing team, they call into action.
My God.
See, the people don't laugh at our first aid kit.
Laugh?
Mm-hmm.
Who would laugh after?
No, some to them say you extra.
I see, look how much time you have to use the kit.
How much time you have to use the kit? If we never have
so
this.
much time.
If we never have this, we'll pop down completely.
Soon come.
Mercy.
The staff done that way. I thought the bleeding stuff.
Tami in our meeting, she got gym. Mama, you're bad.
Where is he? Out there or inside? Him under the tree. Oh God. Junior!
Our Mason Junior, who that happened to, one of the hardest working guys, man. I tell you, say, everybody in a check field. Them, if him for start work 8:30, him there from 8 o'clock, and as him reach, him start work. So you know, say any little thing happen, we have to make sure, say, I mean, any one of them we're gonna look after them, but Junior is a man where, trust me, and put in good work. Momo? Mm-hmm. Junior?
Yeah.
Work hard, though.
Yeah. Come early and doing things in a lele.
In the lele.
Work hard.
Alright guys, so we have lots to do today. Only for errands for run on the road and thing up and down and thing. The room is coming together very nicely. Tami banned me from in the people, so you know, me don't want to go on preps and all these things, but you see me, she said, I can't get no preps until the reveal, you see me. But we're doing stuff like this, we're doing cool stuff like this even around the room, where we're doing a little wall, a little low wall go across there, so and then we do a little some plants on the inside and thing, so we'll have a nice cool aesthetic about it. Yeah guys, things are going, man. Big up the selective team them where I work overtime for make we hit our deadlines. You see me? We don't really have the deadlines that we at work, but you don't know. We just want to get back into some sort of normalcy and routine with our room, and you know, instead of like invading Gio's room and thing. And Gio is sleeping in the boys' room right now. Yeah, so we want to get everybody back in them respective spots and things. You see me? Why, Tami? You know, get them family my little prips and what going, man. Why you so strict?
I just wanted to be exciting for everybody. But, okay, I will tell you this. We have started to... what's the name again? Tile the patio wall outside. Oh my gosh. You know, you remember, I'll show you, I will throw back to some footage of how that has been going. It won't give you the full picture, but it will give you an idea of, you know, what it would look like. And it's so beautiful. I'm really loving how it's coming together in that space. It makes it feel like we're outside, which, you know, it's different to like indoor wall tiles. So it's giving us you know what I keep saying about this patio? I feel like I'm in Greece. I've never been to Greece, but I just feel like they are Greece or something.
Yeah,
I just feel that style like.
Fresh.
But the shellstone tile on the wall is so beautiful. Desiree gave me a chance to even put one on when he started it. And it's a whole different process. You have to use like a whole different thin set, mortar, all that stuff for wall tiles. And it's just beautiful. I really love the way it's turning out. Most of the wall is done now, so where you're seeing it, it's not even close. But can you imagine that taking up that good chunk of the wall? So that's going to be really nice. And then we do have some more wall tiles happening out there, and then the floor tile is beautiful as well. It's all coming together right now. They're finishing up that area, but they're also putting in our drains for outside, because it's an outside area, you have to have drainage. So we're doing that. And I just saw that the guys got here to tape and plaster.
Murder.
Big day. Big day.
What me tell you about Junior, see Junior gone right back to the work. Him just wrap him finger and back on it same time. See him no left him leveling up people. Everything have to straight for them, man. Everything have to inline and well measured down. MTM family, I have to tell you this story because Tami naga want telling you, but the gist of the story is always look for opportunity to be a good Samaritan. You understand? So the other day we were in the supermarket. I feel like I you to tell a story, you know.
But man, I don't know nothing to tell.
Eh?
I don't know a story for tell.
No man, a story for tell, man, because people for know say there sometimes you don't even see the opportunity. You don't even realize say, yo, you know, say my time is to step up for just be kind to somebody. So alright, you tell a story, can I hear a story?
Oh, you come drop it back for me, sir?
Yeah, tell it.
Wait.
And up to what happened yesterday to you have to tell that part.
Oh my gosh. So I was in the line at Los Shusan, and there was a lady standing in front of me, and I was actually really admiring her. I loved the way she was dressed. And she didn't have on anything fancy, but I just like the way she had on like her cute shoes with her, you know, top. And I was like, she looked nicey, man. And anyway, when we were checking out, because we were in the express line, I heard her say, oh my gosh, I forget my purse. And I was like, I hate when that happens because it's happened to me before. I was like, I'll pay for it. It's fine, whatever. You know, it was just a few things. It's not like she did have. If she did have a big line,
no, I don't think because we know them supermarket bill.
I missed, but it was literally like 5 things, if as much. Yeah. And so it's warm to the dog. Them teeth in our yard.
No, the gardener, them can't take tea with the gardener.
Oh.
Even though them know him good.
So the lady did not want to accept it. She was like, no. And I finally said to her, listen, I was like, just pay it forward to somebody. Nobody ever kind to you yet. And you must have been kind to somebody. Just consider this as like the kindness coming back to you. She was like, no. The only way I can accept this is if you let me pay you back. I said, no, like that's not happening. Then she hit me with a mutual friend that we have. She was like, you know, I know XYZ. And I was like, oh boy, right? Anyway, long story short, she finally says, thank you, I will accept it, but I'm gonna find you and give you back the money. And I was like, no, pay it forward to somebody else. You know, give it to somebody else. She was like, no, me I gotta find you. Anyway, I totally forgot about it. And then the next day.
So my partner. So me then I go outside with the workman them. And then I see this nice little lady walking up, and I realize, hold on, no, miss that from the supermarket. Yeah. There, so I said, Tami, your friend.
And she gave me a lovely card, and I kept the card. But I've already committed the money back to something else because I'm like, I'm using it to pay for it.
Hold on, so she actually gave you back the money?
She did give me back the money.
So here I know. Oh, it's just a thank you card. But I know, you know, from a CR, we know say she come back with the money. You know one of them type of people they were.
Yeah, but I'll tell you this story as well. So I have done that before, and it always goes down well. But you always run the risk of also offending somebody, right? You don't want to do that. And so I'm always careful about doing that. But it's a really nice thing to do for other people. You know where's a nice place to do it? If anybody ever see me out there, the toll. Me I love somebody for pay my toll way.
It reached Terry them were there.
Terry, a true.
Hey, you forgot. Truth be told. If truth be told, but that's a whole different story. When she comes, she can't tell it. But the whole story
is, the whole idea is, how can you pay it forward to somebody else? Because somebody has been kind to you.
Yeah.
So how can you? And it doesn't have to. Everybody thinks that acts of kindness have to be big acts of kindness. You don't have to pay for nothing. Maybe you help somebody with some with your time. Maybe you see somebody who just open the door for somebody that is so kind. It just happens sometimes. And I said to myself, God, let me tell you this. Sometimes we sow these seeds not for our own selves, but for our children. And so I pray that whatever small acts of kindness or big acts or whatever, all of our kindness, dear God, may it fall on our children.
True, man.
We don't, it's not for us, it's for our children.
And MTM family, remember this. Remember, I tell you this today, kindness can never be an offense.
Yeah, true.
Stay woke.
Kindness can be an offense. Amen.
Don't look at that, okay? I'm collecting boxes because we're packing up the room.
Collecting boxes. Who make government carry up the weight name from $50 to $100?
Yes, that is it.
Get worse,
because
people.
I know you can get little more things. Tell you the truth, guys, is some little household things because you know we're setting up the room. We're eating some lunch at this place that we always eat lunch at. But tell you the truth, I had to switch the soup because honestly, I'm not feeling the red pea soup anymore. It need a little revisit. But the chicken one is nice.
Them so wicked.
Come in, want nobody come and eat the red pea soup and then them say, but Tami mouth nana taste. But the salad is still good and the chicken soup is very good.
No, chicken soup, but still
Anyway, this is a little stop off point, and then we're gonna go pick up Ives. I got a soup for Momo too because she really liked the soup from this place.
Ivy after this?
Ivy after this, and then back to the thing. You know what we're not talking about, Wayne? We need a TV for the room, and guys, Wayne is looking at one hell TV. May I ask him if I carry him in the yard?
It's the advice say.
It's a very big they're looking at a 65 inch. Me asking if him and Andrew go watch a TV or yeah, ask Andrew. And I mean, if I ask,
no, but want it for fit the aesthetics of the room.
imagine football upon that. You're not gonna even see me again.
Murder.
Oh man. TV next. Do you guys have a brand that you like, a TV? Like we know what you think. And we're not trying to spend a bomb on it either, please. So nobody tell me nothing about no fling flong play.
Fling flong play. Samsung play.
TV expensive, you know, you never know. I was saying earlier how I'm so glad and grateful that, you know, we took a couple years to kind of just replenish and save to do this project. And after I was thinking how people sometimes feel like, you know, maybe we don't have to save towards things, but we do, just like everybody else. And so I forgot check the budget for the TV.
Look at, if me didn't know me that I have 2 picnics.
Wayne, 1. I joke.
Oh God, I wouldn't change anything, but remember me telling people, when you have 5 kids, yeah, just supermarket alone.
Yeah, supermarket, but also basic necessities. This is why Jackson's clothes gets passed down. This is why his shoes get passed down. And we're fine with that. There's nothing wrong with that. But this is also why, you know, we can't take as many family vacations or trips. It's just not set up that way. It's much harder for us and much more expensive to travel with X amount of people. So, you know, but at the same time, I didn't go a lot of places when I was a child. I didn't travel all the time. And I am no less happy or whole than the next child. So
25 I want to tell me.
yeah, exactly. So I get it, you know.
I wouldn't change anything. That's your point.
And you know, we have to try and make money and work hard while we're young to create the life that we do want for our children. But I don't think we should get stuck in this idea of that life needing to be extravagant.
One thing I see we do put at where it can't reach.
Sometimes we do that. What do you mean?
No.
Sometimes it's hard.
Put it at where it can't reach. That means you're overspending knowing that you don't have that budget. So
no, I know what you mean. I know what you mean. But you know, I think it's just important to understand that, hey, what really counts is, you know, raising decent humans, decent citizens of the world. And so yes, it's great to be able to do all those other things, but it doesn't necessarily mean that that's what you have to do to create a good, happy family. Understand? All right. The phone I go burn up, and my motor go burn up. So
for the couples therapy,
we must the couples therapy.
We would be the therapist. Hi, Boogie.
Zion not with us, Mama.
Hi, Boogie.
Say hi, Daddy.
Hi.
See the boxes? Sit back.
My nose is down and look around in that.
Sit back. Let me put this on for you. Come.
I purchase you. I purchase the right. I purchase it. Hey! I purchase
happy birthday, Dad.
Birthday you. Birthday you. Birthday you. Alright.
So one of my favorite things to do is to come here in the afternoon and just kind of watch all of the moving parts that are happening. And right now we have
taping and plastering, tiling happening, so many moving parts. And I just love to see it all come together. It makes the whole thing just so satisfying, you know. So I'm here for a little bit, just kind of watching, helping, talking, laughing, you know.